How to download Roblox on PC and laptop. So first you just need to open up your start menu right here, then just search for Microsoft Store, just like so, and simply tap on it to open it, or tap on the open button right there. Then wait for it to load. I have it right here. Let's just make it full screen. Then here at the search bar at the very top, just type in Roblox. Then tap on Roblox right there. This will load and just simply tap on install button right here. Then wait for it to download. It may take some time. It depends on how fast your internet is. Once that's done, you'll get a message here on the bottom right corner saying Roblox just got installed. And now we could tap on play right here. As you can see, Roblox automatically opened up. And now you could now log into your account or sign up. That's how you basically download Roblox on your PC and laptop.